and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new vlog for this for gaming, right? So since I haven't make a video game, okay, gaming video yesterday, Thursday. So since Thursday is having gaming vlogs, right? But I'm gonna have to do it today on Friday, right? So Friday here in Mountain Daytime in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and it's also yes, here we go, guys. So let's go, gonna just without further ado, just gonna start it up. And so sorry for the shadow at the back. Okay, so since the light is also bright, right? So this lampshade, I don't have a light for my vlogging studio, right? So and also so apologies for the backward also. So since this room is not yet uh, uh haven't been yet reformat, right? So yes, because something's happened with the house, bump by a car, okay, and then the other room is having bump by a car, and it's also some of the things I is gonna be putting right here into this room, and then this is my room right over here. So okay, so all right. So without further ado, let's gonna start up and check it out. All right, okay. Here we go, everyone. So we've got a new vlog for today. So this right here is the vlog. This was in my Nintendo Switch 2 games. All right. So yeah, some of the games is already installed in my Switch 1, and it's also and also right. I just also using this virtual game card right over here to transfer the games that I have in my Switch 1. So uh but before the Switch 1, I have the Switch Lite, okay, and then all of the games from the Switch Lite is also transferred into the Switch 1 to make right. So Switch 1 to put all the games that I have, right, from my Nintendo Switch Lite. So yeah, the new, because they have a new addition, uh which is the virtual game card, right? So yeah, here we go. So let's go, gonna get first into my virtual game card. So right over here is Shin Megami Tensei 5, okay. But I cannot play this one. Okay, so and also I got some Pac-Man 99, and also we got a Sonic Forces. Okay, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know when it's gonna be released for the game, right? But I think it's not available in Nintendo Switch, right? So also got a YouTube, Fortnite, Pikachu. Okay, we got some Pokemon Home, Pokemon TV, Brawlhalla is still playable, right? So we got I got the Kirby Clash, Asphalt, and then our Rocket League, Pokemon Unite. We got the Fighting EX Layer. We got the Messenger. I forgot what is the game all about, so I just downloaded this one. Pokemon Cafe Remix. We got the Hitman 3 cloud version, so it's still not because it is a cloud version. I cannot play the game. All right, so we got also some Animal World, Super Animal Royale, right? Ninjala. We got some Rogue Company, which is not available anymore in the Nintendo Switch. Also, the Dauntless is not available anymore in the Dauntless. So, gonna have to clean up some games that is not available anymore in the Nintendo Switch. We got the Warface Clutch still ongoing. Vigor is not right. And we've got some Apex Legends. Okay, we've got some Onigiri. I forgot that game. I can still play that one, okay? But I can play that one in the placed in my PS4, right? So we've got the Warframe, okay, Fantasy Strike, Crunchyroll, Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel. It's a touchscreen game, right? We've got some Super Bomberman R Online, This Universe Online. We've got some Tennis 1920s, Games of War. This game is really a good one, right? So Angry Bunnies, okay. Uh, Control Ultimate Edition Cloud version. I think it's not available anymore in a Nintendo Switch. Turbo Shot, okay, and then Blast Blue, Cross Tag Battle. We got some Chocobo GP. We got some Namco Museum, Pac-Man versus Free, okay. We got some Light Seekers. It's a card game, just like a Yu-Gi-Oh! Capcom Arcade Stadium. I don't know if I can play that one, okay. We've got some Tricky Doors, Cover Fire, offline game. You can play that anywhere, okay. Overwatch for Switch 2. We've got some Lost Lands Dark Overlord, free to play. We've got some Puzzle Galaxy. Knockout City is not available anymore, right? So Island Saber by NatWest. So I don't know if it's gonna be playable. Fall Guys, Punchman, okay. We got some World of Tanks Blitz. Pokemon Quest, Smite is not available anymore in the Nintendo Switch, okay. Pokemon Home, Emergency HQ, we've got some Guardian Tales, Opus Castle, yeah, okay. I don't know if it's gonna be playable. Omega Strikers, I don't know if it's gonna be playable. I'm gonna have to check that out. I'm gonna have to check it out, okay. So I can play that in my Switch one, alright. We got Three Racers, Arena of Valor, yeah, you can still play, but it lack of uh it's not what is it called, it's not updated, right? Okay, so but and also the matchmaking is too long, right? The matchmaking is too long to wait, okay. We've got some Cyber Protocol Prologue, we got some Horizon Chase Turbo still ongoing. We got some Blades, okay. What is it called? Elden Scrolls Blades is still available when I'm playing it, but it's not available anymore in the Nintendo Switch. Right, so I still can play. It's not available, but when I check in my OLED, it's not available anymore. Okay, we got the Realm Royals. Okay, that's not available anymore. Skyforge is not available anymore. Also, we've got the Speedstorm, Eternal. I don't know. I think it's still ongoing, right? Hot Wheels 2. So yeah, and then also we got some Prime World Defenders. I think it's soon going. Inazuma 11 Victory Road. I don't know if it's a beta test demo. So I think it's not available. We got some Hero Ultra Rumble. It is still a good game. I really love it. So ongoing. We got some Frag. Star Wars, okay. It's not available anymore, right? So Battle Crash, not available. I don't know if it's gonna be available, but it needs to be updated on the Google App Store, right? So yeah, it needs to be updated. Okay, we've got some Bleach Brave Souls, we've got some Hamster Playground, yeah, ongoing. Idle Champions for the Forgotten Realms, Full Blitz, Fast Penguin, we got some Capital Squeezer, Stumble Guys, Horizon Chase Turbo, okay. Roller Champions, I think it's available, okay. Gundam Breaker, we got some Gundam Breaker, so open network test, so I think it's not available anymore, right? So Egg Party is still ongoing, but it's hard to play because sometimes it is so lag, right? The game is so laggy, okay? We got some Crash, okay? Yeah, I just installed it. So I don't know what is this one, right? So Tanky Online, okay? We've got some Fishing Planet. We've got some Buggy Off-Road, Real Drift Racing. Military combat shooter, Desert War, sort of Vagrant, okay. It's hard to I already played this one, but it's getting harder, right? So Motorbikes Pro, Formula Racing Pro, Adrenaline Rush, Miami Drive. I love this one. Go Kart Mania. Nickelodeon Kart Racers. We got some Hunted Dawn, the Zombie Apocalypse, Cross Out Legends, one of my favorite. Game of Dragons, yeah. Adventure of Elliot, the Millennium Tales debut demo. It's only a demo, right? We got the Sword Art or Non-Fatal Bullet, the complete edition, right? We got some Cartoon Network Battle Crashers, Shining Resonance Refrain, Call of Glory, Next One, Modern Combat, Speedway Turbo. Okay, and then we've got some Gekashin Squadra from Dragon Ball. Split Fiction, I can't play this one, it's hard to play. Fortnite, Kitten Island, Batman Arkham Asylum, Puzzle Quest. We've got some Pokemon Champions, the latest game over here. Aurel Vermin, we've got some Kitten Squad, Artifact Seekers, Drip Legends 2, and the Apex Legends. Alright, so let's go. Gotta get over here to the main. Right, so these are all my games for my Switch 2. So we've got the All-Star Brawl, Fighter Z, we've got some Cars Driven Twin, Speedway Turbo Car Racing, Kitten Island, Puzzle Quest, Cover Fire, Pokemon Shining Pearl. I play this on handheld mode, right? So I already played this one in my Switch 2, Switch 1, and Switch Lite. So I'm gonna have to play this one also in my Switch 2 on how's the performance for the Switch 2, right? And also I'm gonna make a video for that one, okay? Separate video. DL2, Rift Legends 2, Cartoon Network Battle Crashers, and Dragon Ball The Breakers, Fortnite. We've got some military combat shooter. We've got some Sword Art Online, Royal Vermin, Game Boy, Nintendo Classics. Yeah, lots of games is free also. Monster Hunter Rise, I haven't finished that one yet. Okay, Pokemon Home, Pokemon Champions, Warface Clash, Nexomon, Speedstorm, Call of Glory, just like a Call of Duty, right? So jump first. I played this for only handheld, right? Crossout Legends, Power Rangers, Battle for the Grid, Arkham Asylum, and Warframe and the Pokemon Unite, right? So yeah, not so many games because it's got limited. So I think the memory for this one is only 256, right? Yeah, the external memory is for the 256. So and also the 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 internal I think is 64. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So this is the system memory. We got the 25.2 gigabyte. Okay. Free space. Okay. And also for the micro SD Express card, I've got still 170 gigabyte, right? So yeah, not so many games for my Switch 2, but some of the games is on my Nintendo Switch Lite, right? So I'm also gonna make a video for my Nintendo Switch Lite, right? So yeah, and it's also for my Nintendo Switch one also gonna be I'm gonna be having an updated video for my Nintendo Switch, right? Console, right? Also yeah, still a good today. So I just love the Switch 2 because it's so big. I love the screen and also nice, perfect. Also got some two USB-C ports, right? And we got some 3.5 mm headphone jack. We've got right here's the what is it called? Okay, the game card, right? So and then I'm gonna go back. So gonna have to check that out. So yeah, check that one right over here. Yeah, so I think the SD card is right over here, right? So yeah, there we go, the SD card. Okay, so nice is because it is also a U-shaped stand, right? So you gonna have to put it like that one, and then you adjust whatever you like. There you go. Yeah, I really love. So that's it for the games for my Nintendo Switch 2. So got some limited games, right? So swipe that up to clean it up for the fingerprints. All right. So yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Okay. So alright, that's it for this video. Is also I hope you like it, and yeah, okay. Alright, okay, and then also thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming videos. Okay, so stay tuned. It's because giving you some of my good stuff here, okay, sharing all of my all of my happiness in life, right? So yes, these are all my things, my gadgets, my text, my EDC, my tools, anything, and also my collection, right? It's my collection stuff. We have some happiness in our life, right? So yeah, we are not at what is this called? We are not complete. We are not complete if we don't have this happiness in our life, right? So since I am an introvert person also, yeah, I'm an introvert person also, I really want to be just to be alone sometimes, right? So yeah, I'm playing games, listening to music, editing videos, doing gameplays, right? So yeah, so yeah, that's my happiness in life, right? So yours, what's your happiness in life? Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and see you again on the next video.